It's just life. Man, we back in here in the gym, trying to make something happen. He's super focused. But I'm gonna go over there and get my sit-ups in. Get me started for the day. I'm gonna start with sit-ups. And I think I'm gonna do sit-ups and arms today. I don't know for sure yet. I might switch it up. But yeah, man, we out here on this Friday, man. I ain't really feel like coming to the gym today, but the difference between me and a regular person is I come when I don't want to come. So pause. Wow. But still, y'all get the point. Hey, we in here for my birthday, man. At the gun range, about to shoot some. Got them, you know, on them dubs, you know. We'll be back.
Christ. $100. We at the range. $100. He can hit 9 out of 10. $100 right here.
Hey, listen.
He said he can go 9 out of 10.
He said $100, 9 out of 10 from 12 yards, right? I said I just loaded it up. Listen, I just loaded it up. I only put 9 in the clip. Watch this. I only put 9 in the clip. Can I pause that? Do this.
About 100.
No, I didn't. I hit the first two.
Yeah, he's throwed up. He listening to me. We got him, y'all.
Man.
We got him. Let me see. Bring it on up. He missed 4 that time. Y'all. Oh yeah, you missed 4.
No, I didn't. No, them the first 4 I missed, and you know it. I hit 9. Yes, sir. All right, we got the AR-15. You know, the pistol version with the holographic scope, 5.56. We about to make something happen. You know what I mean? We got the red dot on that thing. mug getting hot. Zoom in on that.
Oh, where?
Zoom.
It's smoking.
Thing that jammed on me and it's smoking.
It jammed on you?
Okay, hang on a second.
You got it out? It's jammed again?
But it's the funny part is it's like it looks like it's oiled up. The MR920 now from Shadow Systems. I like it because it takes block parts. Pop said he don't like it. He said he feel like it, it got too much recoil on it.
Maybe it's a little off. Man, no, I ain't missed that many times. Nah, I ain't missed that many times.
About to make something happen.
That gun broke.